today's video, I want to share with you guys how you can get rid of chemical burns. And by chemical burns, I mean a burn that is caused by a bleaching cream you might have used in the past. I don't have any burns on my feet or on my foot, but I'm just showing you what I would have done if I had any burns on my feet. Okay, so let's dive right into the video. I just added lukewarm water to this big bowl right now, and I'm going to be adding the baking soda and oats. What you want to do when you notice the burn on your feet or on your foot is to soak your feet in a bucket of baking soda and oatmeal solution. That is going to really help you with itching, and also going to help to reduce the pain and the swelling. But I want to warn you guys, if you have like open wounds on your feet, I won't advise you to soak your feet into baking soda and oatmeal solution. And I'm going to add this powder into the lukewarm water, because this water is lukewarm. Okay, I'm just going to add this into the water, and I'm going to soak my feet inside the water. Okay. To do is to apply your honey and your red palm oil mask on your feet. And honey has antibacterial properties, and honey also has an acidic pH of 3.2 and 4.5. I think, if I'm right, I think between 3.2 and 4.5. The acidic pH encourages the blood to release oxygen, which then helps to make your wound heal faster, like make the wound on your feet heal faster. That is why honey is needed in this recipe. And red palm oil contains vitamin A and vitamin E, and it also helps to soothe the skin. And red palm oil also has moisturizing properties, so it's going to help to moisturize your feet and make your feet supple and soft, and which is going to help you help your leg heal faster. Okay, so guys, you're going to need honey. You're going to need honey to make the leg marks, and you're also going to need some red palm oil. Okay, you can use any kind of red palm oil you have, but you're going to use red palm oil and honey to make your leg marks. Okay, this is 1 tablespoon of palm oil, and I'm going to add about a tablespoon of honey to this. And I'm going to mix it all up together. So guys, this is how the mixture is going to look like, and this is what we're going to apply on our legs. Okay, next thing you're going to do is to apply the palm oil and honey marks on your leg, and this is going to help you a lot. Okay, guys, after you finish washing your leg, you'd apply this Blue Seal vitamin E jelly, and this is going to help your feet get better really fast, because this Blue Seal Vaseline contains vitamin E, and vitamin E is very good when you're trying to repair your skin. Okay, and guys, if you have burns on your feet, you have to make sure you stay away from the sun, because the sun is going to make it get worse. Okay, avoid the sun totally, because the sun is not going to avoid you, so you have to avoid the sun. Okay, avoid the sun and your feet is going to get better as soon as possible. For this honey and this red palm oil mask to work really well on your feet, you have to make sure you do it like 5 times a week. This is going to help your feet get better really fast. And this remedy, you can also use it on your hands if you have like a burnt hand. Okay, so you have to make sure you do it regularly, 4 to 5 times every single week. And honestly, this thing is going to take a little bit of time for you to see progress. Just put your mind that this whole soaking your feet and using the honey and the palm oil, everything is going to take about 2 months to completely, like everything to completely change. Okay, you have to be patient when you're using this remedy, because it is not going to work fast. Okay, and you want to make sure you throw the bleaching cream away, and just use petroleum jelly on your feet till your feet get better. I think we've come to the end of this video. If you did enjoy this video, guys, please do well to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye.